Visible counting yan, hindi tayo makakatanggi yan. Just number 15. Taken by Mara. Pick and play again. Hindi kumonekta pero nakapek. And that will be a clear possession for the Jubas MG.
Side.
Just number 4. With the angle. Kick out pass. Abolensa. Basket time for Mr. Abolensa. Ang dali mag-timer pagka may mouse. Sarap-sarap. Dribbling skills from jersey number 15. You still have 5 minutes and 55. On the run, in the pass, on the baseline. You deflected. 1 for 3 for 2. 5 minutes and 45 remaining. Garcia stepping on the gas. Denied. Rejected on the play. The chaos. On the run, jersey number 19. Bounce pass, 1 for 3. Same spot deflected. Jersey number 4 on the other end. For the MG. Wrap around pass. Garcia finishes with a 2. 5 minutes and 23 remaining. Jersey number 15 with the ball. May laro to, yung numero 15. Pass to jersey number 08. Medyo crowded dyan. Ayaw bitawan ni Mr. Maran, depensa. Crosscourt pass once again. Jersey number 15. And to shoot. Clean floater, in and out. Rebound for jersey number 4. Halfway mark on our first half. Abolensa. Mac to Garcia. Here comes Paring Obin. To the catching of Abolensa. Yes sir, with that layup. Lumobo bigla yung abante dito ng kapalan ng Jubas MG. Having an 8-point lead with 4 minutes and 48 to play. 33-25, almost a steal. Sige, visible counting ang referee natin dyan. Jersey number 15, ganda ng hit. And that basket will not count in any way. And the foul will be called against jersey number 4. That's a blocking foul. Substitution lineup. First personal foul, second team foul for the team Jubas. Just number 15. Dinapas pa. At ito lumabas. Okay, substitution. Another substitution rep. Ayan, lumabas na si number 143. Meron pa ba?
6 go.
Okay, okay. Hello, sound check.
Wala yung sound.
Hello, Mike. Sound check.
Try.
Hello, Mike.
Sound check. Hello, Mike.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello, Mike. Basket. Nasaan ba kasi si Mike? Niluwa ko ng ilukan Mike dito.
Kasama si Tess.
Kasama si Tess. Ano yun, Mike Tess? O Marites?
Marites.
4 minutes and 8 remaining. 33-27. Ganda ng behind the back play na yan. Bumitin pa. Official score, 33-29. 4-point ball game lang tayo dito. Tama ba ito, Kuya Ryan? Ikaw ang official. Neri, Porte. Tumalikod pa, malalas Stephen Curry, pero mintis yan. Here comes the chaos, taken by Mara. 2-on-3 situation. Mara, niniwala, nandudensa ni Mara dito. Napangiti si Igong doon ng batang kangkalo. 3 minutes and 35. Lilipat tayo sa San Pedro Laguna. Pero mintis ang pasa. Ito na si GM, another 2. 3 minutes and 25 remaining dito. Jersey number 19. To jersey number 15. 1 dribble. Pull up on the 3. Too strong. Rebound battle. Nakakuha dito. Ni Mr. Gunday. 3-on-1. Neri. Another basket. Time for Mr. Neri. The flying end. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes exactly to play. Angel on jersey number 23. Too strong on the attempt. Rebound on jersey number 24. One pump. Another pump. Floater. No. Ganda ng depensa doon. Kuya mong Lil with the ball. Aklan. Stop. And pass. Paring Obin on the attack. And there's always foul. And that foul will be called against jersey number 26. Substitution lineup. Sige, pasok. Jersey number 26 of the Chaos first personal foul. Second team foul. Both teams second team foul. No, on the 4-point play, sabi ni Kuya Ryan. Transition, nandyan si Mr. Aklan to deflect that one. Gunday takes another basket. Maganda nilalaro ni Mr. Gunday dito. Ganda ng layup all alone. Highly contested time from Aklan pero Mintis. Extra pass to Diyos number 18. Bagyang ilalapit. Airball pa rin sa kanya. Saving the play. Goes to Mr. Gunday. On the gas. Here comes Neri. Stop and pop for 3. No, but there's a contact. And that would be called against jersey number 18. 30 foul.
18, dalawa 18 nila.
Basket ang first row. Lobo sa labing isa ang abati ng Jubas MG. 40-29. Jersey number 18, that's the first personal foul. 13 foul. 2 for 2. Ay, isa pa. Sorry, 3-point play pala yan. Third and last for Mr. Neri Kevin. 2 minutes and 3 to play. Ito, mahigpit ang depensa ni Mr. Mara dyan. Just number 23, 1 minute and 55 remaining. And that would be a pushing foul on jersey number 3, Mr. Neri. First personal foul, 13 foul, Jubas MG. Both teams 13 foul. Under a minute and 48 to play.
Kabila,
Basta pass, wide open for 3. Not this time around in the ball, went out of bounds on the play. We still have a minute and 38 to play. On our first up, second quarter na po ito. This is to be followed by our 5-6 category, the Denise against the PSG 5-8.
Oh, 5.
The third, Gunday, missing that attempt. 1 minute and 20 remaining. Ito na, ganda ng pasa. Contested, denied by Gunday. Still on Mr. Aklan. Nilunran. On the pass, Mr. Vita Bueno for 2. 1 minute and 8 remaining. One minute. Aklan with the pump and the pass. Your drop, too strong. 55 seconds. Jersey number 23. Zigzagging. Leaving away from traffic. Goes too strong with the layup. 45 seconds to play. Here comes Terry. The play. Stop and pop for 3. Bang! 35 seconds remaining. Gunday another steal. 15 seconds. Gunday on the attack. Drops to Matabelo. Basic. Yes sir. 20 seconds. Shot clock is up for the Team Chaos. Kick out pass. Denied, deflected. Symbol ang tawag na rep. 13 seconds to play. 12.9 to big shot. Once again, 12.9 seconds to play. 10 seconds. And one play. The foul will be given to jersey number 28, Mr. Matabelo. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus shot. No. 5 seconds. Mabasar na lang mo. Aklan. No. And that would be the end of our first up. With an official score of 39-31, and that's an 18. Big point lead in favor of the Jubas MG.
Mahina. Wala tayo tuloy mute. Ay, pwede may mute. Pwede pa lang mag-mute.
Okay, back to the ball game for our third quarter. Possession will be for the Ma'am Chaos. Another fresh 10 minutes of action for our third quarter on our first game. Okay, third quarter na po tayo. Let's go, rep. Jersey number 8 receiving the ball coming from the inbound. Jersey number 26. Nagpalitan ng uniforme rito. Yung kanilang big man takes that open, wide open shot. Ayan na. Baka makakan. Okay, let's go, rep. Fontanilla back in the ball game.
Sige, Pao, set mo. Sige, Pao, set mo. Sige, go point guard dyan.
9 minutes and 35, Basilio. Ball rotation. For 3. Medyo malakas na Rivalo Basilio ang bola. Beltran, kalkal dito. Not in my house, kay from Jersey number 15 on that play. Pinitbitan na nga pero hindi siya tapping ng bola. Well, a putback, yes sir. 4-0 run kaagad dito. Favor of dito, Ma'am Gayos.
Kahit po yung ginawa kagad nila, nakita nyo ha?
9 minutes and 10, Abulensya, nakadepensa na maganda dito. Abulensya on the pass, Basilio. Kick out pass, another error on the part of the Juvas MG. Third quarter pa lang ito, 13 point lead lang yan mga idol. Jersey number 8, Floater, airball, jersey number 14, another putback. Courtesy of jersey number 14. Timeout! Jubas MG! Time out sa remaining natin dito. Maaga, napatime out dito. Si Coach Carlito. Isa na lang, may iwan na time out dito for the dalawa. Sorry, until our fourth quarter for the team, Jubas MG. And we are back to the ball game coming from a 24-second timeout called by the team Jubas NG and an 8-0 run in favor of Dito Ma'am Keyos. Under 8 minutes and 36 to play, 49-30 that's our official score. An 11-point ball game. Beltran on the pass, jersey number 27, goes to the big man, Fontanilla, mama. No, bukal ka lang inabot dito. Ni Fontanilla, kayo from jersey number 15, pangalawang blanca na yan. Pero, nag-error naman dito, ang kapanan ng Ma'am Gayos. Basilio with the ball. Will set the play to Abulensya, Mac, well defended. Goes to jersey number 27 on the 4-point play. Wala pa rin. From jersey number 15, kinakain. Jersey number 15. Yung rebounding dito. Almost an N1 play. But there would be a foul on jersey number 28. Beltran first personal foul. Second, first team foul. Jubas NG. 7 minutes and 47 to play. First round jersey number 15. Sa napakagandang gabi ng Huwebes. Medyo lumalamig na. Basket on the first row. Coming from jersey number 15. Ito yung nagpapahirap sa MG dito. Si jersey number 15. Second and last row. Basket to the first. And a miss with the second row.
Pao, yan. Go point guard eh. Sige, kami yan.
Coast to coast up. In and out. Rebound Fontanilla. Denied from behind. Hindi ubra